Hello, friends and neighbors of Parkdale, the Brockton Triangle, and the rest of the folks living in this great wide city of ours and beyond. Every year, around this time of year, I share my vertical gardens. They are of my own design and creation, and being Mother's Day, being the perfect gift for mom or dad or anyone else that likes to have a flowing, growing garden using minimal space. I just wanted to share that not only are my vertical gardens available, which are self-draining, treated with beeswax. They completely prevent root rot and overwatering. They are available now at Parkdale Home Hardware, as well as serving as a pickup point for all things available on my website, madebyMikey.ca. I just wanted to share that these are here and they are available, as well combined with a very wide range of soils, manures, root stimulators. We've got everything you need to get started. So, if not now, perhaps later, but I will see you, and until then, good tidings. Mwah.